Welcome to Business Training Media. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting course that could change your career trajectory. Rise to leadership, become a CEO. Be sure to watch until the end to find out how you can enroll. Do you have what it takes to be a CEO? Many people dream of leading an organization, making big decisions, and driving success. But ambition alone isn't enough. Some professionals make it to the C-suite or even start their own businesses, only to realize that leadership requires more than just determination. It demands a unique set of skills that this course is designed to teach. If you've ever imagined yourself in the corner office, reporting directly to a CEO, or even advising top executives, then this course is for you. Rise to Leadership, Become a CEO explores 6 key competencies that define successful CEOs. First, you'll learn how to get results, achieving ambitious goals by working at all levels of an organization. Then, you'll discover the power of creating a strong company culture by defining core values like integrity, customer focus, and respect for individuals. You'll also develop the ability to attract and motivate top talent, building a team that not only sets big goals but reaches them. Innovation is key in today's fast-changing world, and this course teaches you how to foster an environment where new ideas thrive and drive revenue growth. You'll also learn how to formulate winning strategies by analyzing opportunities and executing plans effectively. Finally, you'll master the art of communicating with stakeholders, whether it's the board, investors, or the broader community. One of the most valuable aspects of this course is the initial assessment. It helps you determine whether you're naturally suited for a CEO role, can develop into one with the right training, or should consider an alternative leadership path. Even if becoming a CEO isn't your ultimate goal, the skills covered in this course will make you a stronger, more effective leader in any position. Through real-world case studies, group challenges, and insights from experienced CEOs, you'll gain a deep understanding of how top executives think, strategize, and take action. So what will you learn? You'll discover how CEOs drive results, build a thriving company culture, attract top talent, fuel innovation, develop winning strategies, and communicate effectively with key stakeholders. Are you ready to take the next step in your leadership journey? We've included a link to this course in the description below. Click to enroll today and start building the skills you need to rise to the top. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business and leadership insights. See you in the next video.